Hello guys, welcome to Wanyika Farm. At Wanyika Farm we deal with rearing kienyeji chicken. Main purpose is for sale. And this year 2026 we've decided to do our restock. Last year we had around 500 birds and we managed to raise, from the 500 birds we managed to raise 495. So we had a 98%. So this year we started to restock. We normally restock every year like this. This is the right period to restock your chicken, the dry season. During the dry season, no more diseases, the airborne diseases, they are very minimal. So if you want to start chicken rearing, this is the right period to start. By the time the rain season will start, you'll have made some improvements. So this year at Wanyika Farm we've decided to rear purely kienyeji, and this is our first batch. We have now 15 kienyeji chicken that we've started with, and for this year we are targeting to have at least between 600 to 700. Maybe we can reach 1,000, but I'm really optimistic about around 600. So this is the journey that we've started today. So as you can see, this is my area. Chicken rearing, at least you need some space, but not a big space, but at least some space where you can release your chicken so that they can go out and eat some vegetation and maybe sand to help them during their digestion. And this is how we've started the year. We started the year on a high note, and this year we are trying to target a big number. At least we make some profit. The last year 2025, from our accounts we've managed to make a profit of around 50,000 from the chicken that we had. After minusing all the expenses, the feeds, we've managed to make around a profit of around 50,000, as I can relate from our records. When you want to be a serious farmer, you must be able to have your records, from vaccination, from feeding, the expenses that you make from feeding, buying your feeds, rearing, the structures that you construct. You must be able to write down everything to make sure at the end of the season, when you want to dispose of your chicken, you make sure first you remove the expenses, then you'll have the margin, the profit margin, after deducting all the profits. So this is our pure kienyeji that we've decided this year. We want to concentrate purely on kienyeji. Last year we had improved kienyeji. We had around if I'm from my records, if I'm not wrong, around 35 improved and around 10 the pure kienyeji. And after our sale, we made sure that we sold all the improved and we remained with 10 kienyeji. So from the 10 kienyeji, we managed to collect eggs. We kept them at least for another period, so they started laying the eggs, and we managed to get around 40 new chicks, pure kienyeji, that are in our brooders right now. And we collected around 300 to 400 eggs that we sold to our nearby neighbors. So this year we are focusing mainly on kienyeji. So if you want to learn more about kienyeji chicken rearing, inbox us, text us. We are on our social media so that we can learn together. Chicken rearing, no one is perfect. It's just a matter of learning. So this is our chicken. Here are our chicken. These are 3 months also. We are expecting to feed them a around 1 month, and then they'll start laying eggs. So we are very optimistic about it. And as you can see, this is our structure. This is our small structure that we built. This structure costed us around, roughly, I can say around 15,000 that we managed to use to construct this. We started from zero, and this is our structure that can hold around 200 to 300 birds. Kindly go to on our YouTube channel, subscribe for more details about kienyeji chicken rearing. Thank you for all those who have subscribed and those who still want to subscribe. Thank you, and you are welcome.